Hi, this is Todd. Thought I'd show you some of our low volume holsters that we generally cut out by hand. We do a trim template and we trace these out and we trim them roughly on the bandsaw, and then we put them onto the trim routers with our trim jigs that we manufactured. But these are for some of our lower volume holsters that we don't ship a lot of. We make 2 or 3 of them here or there, 2 or 3 of them here or there, and just thought you'd like to see some of that process.
You look in my eyes and I already hope this lasts. Trying hard not to jump, not to move too fast. But we could go all in. We could be in love by the end of the night. Sitting here talking.
So some of our lower volume holsters, we rough cut them out. We trace them onto our jigs. We use a Sharpie, silver Sharpie, marks out real nice. We rough cut around the outside of that, and then we put them onto our trim templates. And our trim templates consist of, we manufacture these in-house off of the CNC with our trim fixtures. We make them the size that we need them to be with our dowel indicators. Works great. Works perfect for when we need to do only like 3 or 4 of one instead of like 20.
By your side, that'd be alright. Yeah, that'd be.
Hi, so here's our trim fixtures. Here's a holster that we've rough trimmed out. These made up with our pre-drilled holes, match up to our dowels on here. Works great. This one's for a low volume holster that we don't sell a lot of, but we produce some. So thought I'd show you that. So on our low volume holsters, we trim them out with our wooden trim jigs. On the holsters that we produce a regular amount of on the CNC, we're doing quantity runs of 10, 20, 15 of those. These are done in batches of 2s or 3s. So you can see that they're just as effective. It works great. It produces the same quality holster because of our molding. It's just the run time of doing 2 or 3 to set up the machine for that. So I thought you'd enjoy that process. Boss lady.